In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save prompts in Grok AI. Easy Setup 2026. Let's get started by opening your browser and heading to grok.com. That's the home base for everything we'll do today. If you already have an account, a quick login helps a lot. It's not strictly required, but signing in ensures your chats and preferences sync across devices, which makes saving and revisiting prompts much easier later on. Once you're on the home page, you'll see the Grok chat interface front and center. This is where you'll type prompts and get responses. Before we dive into saving, here's an important note. Grok doesn't include a dedicated Save Prompt button. Instead, you'll retain prompts using a combination of built-in features and a couple of simple habits. Enabling memory, using conversation history and share links, optionally leaning on third-party tools, and keeping manual backups. First, enable long-term context with Personalized with Memory. Open the main menu, then go to Settings, and choose Data Controls. Here, toggle on Personalized with Memory. This lets Grok learn from previous interactions, so it can remember preferences and recurring details over time. Think of it as context continuity, not a literal folder of saved prompts. You can turn this off anytime, or clear memory if you prefer a fresh slate. So review these controls to match your comfort level. Next, use your conversation history. Grok keeps previous chats in the sidebar, so you can reopen any thread and copy the exact prompt you used. If you want a permanent record you can share or bookmark, click the share icon beneath a response to create a public link. That link preserves both the prompt and the reply. Just remember that shared links may be visible to anyone with the URL, so avoid including private details. If you want extra reliability, consider third-party prompt managers or lightweight browser extensions that automatically capture what you type. Choose reputable tools, and periodically export or backup your library so you're never dependent on a single app. Finally, a couple of key tips to prevent lost work. Keep your best prompts in a dedicated Notes app or simple text files, organized by topic. This makes them easy to refine, reuse, and paste back into Grok. And if a prompt ever disappears due to a glitch, refresh the page and paste from your backup rather than retyping from scratch. That's it. Visit grok.com, optionally log in, enable memory, use history and share links, and keep a simple backup routine. With these steps, your prompts stay accessible, consistent, and ready to reuse whenever you need them.